everyone, how you all are doing? I really hope you all are doing well and safe. And if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Saba and I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle and product reviews. And before starting the video, I quickly wanted to share that I have my own e-commerce page where I got amazing product for you guys. So there's a Mera link in the description box below. So what you need to do is simply click on that link and you'll visit my store, and there you'll find variety of products. So if you want to buy any outfit for yourself or skincare, makeup, any electronic items or any home decor items, you will find everything there at a very affordable price. So yeah, make sure to check out my store. And yeah, without any further ado, let's just move to the video now. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about two cleansers from the Face Shop, and they are the best sellers from the Face Shop, and I'm going to give you guys a quick comparison between these two so you know what to buy and what not to buy according to your skin type. So if you're interested to know everything about these two products, then please keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to talk about these two products. So this is the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, and this one is a Jeju Volcanic Lava Post Scrub Foam, and I have been trying out these two products for over 6 months now. So guys, firstly I'm going to talk about this one. So this is a Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, and the reason why I bought this one is because it is enriched with rice water, which contains vitamin A, B, E and ceramide, which is really good ingredient for your skin, and it will provide hydration even after cleansing. So कई बार क्या होता है ना कि जब आप फेस वॉश करते हो किसी भी क्लेंजर से, तो उसके बाद मेरी स्किन स्पेशली बहुत ही ज़्यादा खिंची लगती है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है, एंड कभी कभी तो इतनी ज़्यादा फ्लेकी हो जाती है, स्पेशली ऑन माई नोज एरिया, लाइक बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्लेकी हो जाती है. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई वेंट फॉर दिस वन, एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड एनी कोरियन ब्रांड एंड स्पेशली दिस वन. सो गाइज, आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट फॉर 6 months now, and I have used like entire winter and it worked amazingly in winter, but in summer it's just kind of not working. Like you can clearly see on my face I have a lot of acne going on and just not suiting in this hot summer, because I now realize that my skin needs different product in different season. Like in winter I just chill, I can apply any mild thing and it is gonna be good, but in summer, oh my god you guys, इतना ज़्यादा tantrums होता है मेरे skin का. Like you can clearly see it is not accepting any products which I bought like 6 months ago, and I have like all fruit products but I cannot apply it because my skin is not ready to accept it. And yeah, I have like a lot of acne going on. You can clearly see all the blemishes and like acne marks and everything, and sometimes I get so painful pimples, I can't even tell you, it's so painful. So yeah, I stopped using this one in summer because it is just kind of not working on my skin. But if you are closer to my skin type and you like go through all these things, do not go for this one in summer. Either you can go for a like a Cetaphil oily cleanser that worked amazingly, and I used it last year, and now I need to buy it again because this one is not working, but it worked amazingly in winter. So if you want to buy, go for this one in winter, not in summer, if you're closer to my skin type. But to all the dry skin people, I think you should definitely give this one a try. It's a beautiful cleanser and it has a very beautiful creamy texture. So it creates a little bit of foam as well, but it's very gentle and it's very mild on the skin. So yeah, you should definitely give this one a try. So guys, let me show you the consistency of this cleanser, how it looks like and how it lathers and all. So I'm gonna quickly spray some water on my hand, okay, like this, and I'm gonna take like a very little amount. You don't need a lot of it, like you just need a teeny tiny bit, and it's gonna cover your whole face and it lathers a bit. So yeah, that is really easy to cover your whole face with a very little amount. So I'm gonna take like this much, okay, like this much only, and like you just need to apply it in a circular motion and it creates like a little bit of foam. And yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is what the consistency is. And guys, for some reason it reminds me the Gillette foaming gel, वो जो pump वाला आता है ना, उसी का, उसकी consistency and जो fragrance है वो काफ़ी हद तक same है. So I don't know, for some reason it reminds me of that. So guys, this is what the consistency looks like, and it will give you like a very beautiful pinkish glow to your face. And about the price, so this retails for rupees 650 for 150 ml, and it is gonna go a long way. So this tube, I think it is gonna last you for almost like 8 months, because you just need a teeny tiny bit and you're just gonna good to go. So yeah, it's a wonderful product. So yeah guys, this is how this product worked on my skin, and this is my experience after using it for good 6 months. and your experience might be different, because every skin is different and every skincare product worked differently on different skin. So do not forget to do a patch test before using any skincare product. So guys, moving to the next product. So the next product is this one. So this is Jeju Volcanic Lava Pore Scrub Foam, and it contains volcanic ash from Jeju Island, and it has Jeju mud extract in it, which is really good for deep pore cleansing. So guys, this is not a basic cleanser. It has scrubbing particles in it, like it has very minute granules which helps in get rid of your blackheads, whitehead and your dead skin cells. So yeah guys, this is the reason you cannot use this product daily. Like I use it every alternate days because it has scrubbing particles, and you cannot scrub out your face on a daily basis because it will lead to like acne and all of that problems. So yeah guys, it's a wonderful product and it's really good for combination and sensitive skin people, and it takes out all the gunk from your face like whiteheads, blackheads and excessive oil, and it also helps in controlling your sebum production. And I have also seen like it minimizes a lot of my pores. So yeah, it's a really good product and you can definitely give this one a try, and it can be used by all skin type. And guys, it has like a very beautiful mousse kind of consistency, and let me show you how it looks like. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on my hand, and I'm gonna take like a very little amount, and you don't need a lot of it, like little goes a long way. So yeah guys, this is what the consistency looks like. It's a mousse kind of consistency and it feels like a butter, and you just need to use it in a circular motion like this way, and it will start creating a lot of foam now. And it has a lot of like a minute granules which is gonna help in get rid of blackheads, whiteheads and dead skin cells. So yeah, it's a wonderful product. So guys, the only drawback I have seen with this product is that after washing it off, your skin will feel dry. So you need to apply a good amount of moisturizer after that. And now talking about the price, so this retails for rupees 690 for 150 ml, and it is gonna last you for at least 8 to 9 months if you use like every alternate day. So yeah, it's a wonderful product and you should definitely give this one a try. And yeah guys, this is all the information I have for you all, and this is my quick comparison between these two cleansers, and I really hope you like this video. And if you really did, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you super soon in my next one. Till then, y'all stay happy. Bye bye.